Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, core faculty for the College of Health Sciences and Public Policy at Walden University. And in this talk, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to show you a step-by-step process from all of the data sets that are available within the CDC website, and then go through that process and then show you how to finagle the data within SPSS. So let's go ahead and get started here. One of the things that you'll see on the left-hand side, I want to bring to your attention first the 2009-2010 questionnaire data that you have at the top. Then I want to show you a couple of things. One, what you can do is change this to 2011, and then this automatically changes to 2011-2012. So as you can see, if you have the right URL, then you can change this conveniently and then receive the data set that you are interested in. So this is the questionnaire data. There's actually other types of data here. For instance, the survey methods and even search variables. This is a very convenient sort of search engine that you can use, and I'm not going to describe that within the scope of this lecture. And then you have all of these NHANES, and we were looking at 2009-2010. However, you can go through and look at other NHANES. So let's go back to NHANES 2009-2010, and then remember I told you that was a questionnaire data. So here it is: demographics data, dietary data, examination data, laboratory data, questionnaire data, and then limited access. You're more interested in the questionnaire data. So let's go to questionnaire and go all the way down. And I'm interested in some of the medical questions. It could be diabetes and some of the other medical conditions. Here's the medical conditions. And you can go through and look at cancer, for instance. I can look at cancer. And I'm doing a quick search here. I ever told you had cancer. So this is a variable you can use properly. And then you can also use this for getting rheumatoid arthritis, liver conditions, things like that. So in this is like a code book over here. MCQ 220, for instance, ever told you had cancer, it will tell you yes 620, no 5591. So these are all important to know. So the last thing I'll show you is how to do a download of the data set. So health insurance, I want to know health insurance data. So here we go. You just downloaded the health insurance data. Now this is in SAS format. So you want to change from SAS format to SPSS. So how you do this is you have health insurance information up there, and then you have in downloads, actually you have this already there. So see, in downloads, then you drag this to SPSS, and once you do so, you actually have the data set here, and this is the variable view in the data view. So this is, I don't want to take too long explaining this. However, I hope this has given you some insight in how to create SPSS and transfer data from CDC to SPSS. Thank you for listening.